Alright, this video is going to talk you through solving multi-step equations with rational numbers, mainly canceling fractions. Okay, so it's going to kind of teach you a shortcut when you have fractions that you are dealing with and how to get rid of them. So I'll be able to solve multi-step equations with fractions. Alright, so my thinking. So one thing that I could do here, okay, I'm going to show you both ways. The first way is that I can know that I'm supposed to divide both sides by -2. So technically supposed to divide both sides by -2. So when I have -3/5 divided by -2, all right, I multiply by the reciprocal. So it becomes -3/5 times -1/2, which becomes 3/10. Positive. So x is 3/10. All right. That is one way to solve this. Okay. Another way to go about it, which becomes a lot easier, the way that I'm about to show you will become a lot easier will make it a lot easier when you have a lot more fractions. But, okay, remember that 3/10 was our answer. Another thing to do is called clearing the fraction, getting rid of the fraction. So if I look at this problem, all right, and I kind of think of this as something over 1, all right, I want to think, okay, what is my common denominator between 5 and 1? Well, my common denominator between 5 and 1 is 5. So I'm going to multiply every term by 5. Okay, technically 5/1. All right, so 5/1 times -3/5. Well, I can cancel. The 5's cancel. Okay, so I'm left with just -3 equals 5 times -2x is -10x. All right, now I have no fractions to deal with, and this problem becomes a lot easier. Divide both sides by 10, -10. Negative is a positive, so 3/10 equals x. All right, that is why clearing the fraction is sometimes easier. So let's do another one. Okay, this one has more terms. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of my terms in parentheses just so I can see how many terms I have. Okay, I have 4 terms. So if I look at 4 and 10, I need to find a common denominator. All right, like if I was adding or subtracting these, what would be my common denominator between 4 and 10? Well, my common denominator would be 20. So I'm going to multiply every term by 20/1. Okay, and if you wanted to rewrite all of this out, you could, but I like to just put it up there. So, my fractions are going to cancel. 20 and 4. Well, 4 goes away completely, 20 becomes 5. Here, nothing cancels because 20 and 1 can't cancel. 20 and 10 can cancel. 10 becomes 1, 20 becomes 2. Same here. Now I multiply it out. 5 times y is 5y minus 20y equals 14 minus 6. Again, no fractions, and now this problem becomes a lot easier. 5y minus 20y is -15y. 14 minus 6 is 8. Divide both sides by -15. Y equals 8/15. Okay, you have a lot less of a chance that you're going to make a mistake if you do it this way. Okay, one more. So again, everything in parentheses, every term. This one's fairly simple. If I look, my common denominator is 10 because the common thing between 10 and 1 is 10. So I'm going to multiply everything by 10. Okay, my 10s cancel. That's the point. Oh wait, that 10 does not cancel. Okay, but when I have a denominator of 10, they cancel. Okay, then I'm just going to rewrite 3 equals 10 times 4x is 40x. 1 times 1 is minus 1. 10 times 2x is 20x. Okay, combine all my like terms, 40x and 20x. So 3 equals 60x minus 1. Add 1 to both sides. 4 equals 60x. Divide both sides by 60. 4 over 60 equals x. I can simplify. 60 can be simplified by 4, so it actually becomes 1 over 15 equals x. Final answer. That's hard to see. 1 over 15 is my answer. All right, finish the worksheet. If you have questions, ask. This one is a little bit more difficult, so if you need me to do a couple more examples with you, that is completely fine.